Hey everyone, it's Tracy. I am sharing another Grapevine Wreath inspiration using some hydrangeas and greenery. Now for the S, I had my husband cut out the S with some wood, and it's a little thin, so one of the curly cues broke when I put it on my door to take a picture of it, but it's okay, everything's good, but you'll kind of notice that when you see the wooden S. So I am just showing you everything here that I used for this wreath. A lot of the things I got from Walmart, surprisingly, like the Grapevine Wreath, the greenery, the flowers, the filler flowers I got from the Larkspur is from Dollar Tree, and the little white flowers I got from Hobby Lobby. I ended up not using the picks, the little brown and ivory picks. I ended up not using those. So anyway, let me show you how I put all of this together.